Sometimes, a motorcycle is more than just a machine, it is a statement. For 2027, Husqvarna is sending a very clear message to the middleweight naked category. They have taken their most powerful street bike and given it the SE treatment. This is the all-new 2027 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 SE, but what does that SE badge really mean? Is it just a new coat of paint, or has the black arrow evolved into something much sharper? Stay with us, because the standard features on this special edition might just make it the best value in its class. Let us start with the visual impact. The first thing you will notice is the exclusive colorway. The SE model trades the traditional silver for deep, dark green accents on the fuel tank and the front fender. It creates a moodier, more premium aesthetic that sets it apart from every other bike on the road. Underneath that beautiful body work lies the heart of a warrior, the 799cc LC8C parallel twin engine. This is the same legendary power plant used in the KTM 790 Duke. It produces a massive 105 horsepower at 9,250 RPM and 64.2 pound-feet of torque. This engine uses a 75-degree offset crankshaft to deliver a power character that feels and sounds like a V-twin, but with the compact dimensions of a parallel twin. But the real story of the SE is the electronics. On the standard model, features like cruise control and the easy shift up and down Quickshifter are optional extras. On the 2027 SE, they come factory fitted as standard equipment. You also get 3 riding modes as standard: street, rain, and sport. If you want more, the optional dynamic pack adds 10 levels of slip adjustment and 5 levels of anti-wheelie control. The chassis is built for precision. A chromium molybdenum steel frame uses the engine as a stressed member to keep the weight down to just 181 kilograms without fuel. Suspension is handled by the experts at WP. You get adjustable 43mm apex forks and a matching apex monoshock. Stopping power is provided by J-Juan 4-piston radial calipers biting down on 300mm discs. Inside the cockpit, a 5-inch TFT display keeps you connected with turn-by-turn navigation and smartphone integration. It even features a USB-C port for your devices. The 2027 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 SE is expected to arrive in dealerships in the spring of 2026. While official pricing is still being finalized, it is expected to sit just above the $10,500 mark. Husqvarna has taken a great bike and made it exceptional. With more tech and a unique style, the SE is ready to dominate the streets. Are you ready for the next chapter of the Black Arrow?